For this question, in order to find the p-value, you're first going to have to find the variance. And so in order to do that, let's find sigma equals the square root of your proportion times, now I use q, but q is 1 minus p anyway. I'm not sure how you guys do that, if you set it up as 1 minus p or as q. Over n, okay? And so in this case, I think they're giving you 52% as your sort of mean proportion, and that's the one that you're comparing to, I believe. Oh no, I'm sorry, it's 56. 52 is your mean of your sample, isn't it? Okay, so if that's 56%, then we write that as a 0.56, and then the other one would be the 0.44, and then it's over 880 because that is your n for this study, I believe. So when you work out your sigma value, then you're going to be able to do a z-score, and your z-score is this. And so you're going to be comparing the 0.52 minus the 0.56 over your sigma value. And when you look up your z-score in the chart and you end up with the probability, the number under the whatever your z-score is, you're going to look that up in the chart, and whatever number you get from the chart, that's your probability. Now, if they're asking about improving and greater than, then I think that you want to take 1 minus whatever number you get there, because what you're looking for is the value to the right of your z-score. So you're looking for this portion of the graph, and the chart will only give you the area under the graph to the left, or the percentage to the left of that z value. So I hope that helps you figure out what to do with this question, and I will make you separate videos for the other questions, okay?